Now, as you can see, I have more cons than pros. Do I recommend it? If I get tired of all, the crap that's going on and it's going back to Best Buy. Yes, it's going back to. It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. I can't believe it. I cannot believe your boy got the Lenovo Legion Go. So I returned the Logitech G Cloud because I wanted the game on a handheld with a bigger and better looking display. And I wanted to play Fight Night too. And this device does it all. Let's take it back to about 5 days ago. I was playing NBA 2K on the PlayStation Portal, and I was playing Madden 24 on the Logitech G Cloud. And I noticed a big difference. I noticed the PlayStation Portal LCD 8-inch display is way better than the Logitech G Cloud 7-inch display. So I thought about it. The G Cloud has to go. The G Cloud has to go. If I can get a PlayStation Portal, that'll be good, but I'm not gonna go to StockX and pay resale for a PlayStation Portal, then have to wait about 2.5 weeks. I'm not doing it. So I said it's either the Legion Go or the Ally. I don't know. So your boy boxed up the G Cloud, went to Best Buy, and got my money back. I said, whatever they have in stock, I'm gonna get. But I'm leaning toward the one with the bigger display, and that's the Legion Go. All right. So they said all they have in stock is the Legion Go, 1 terabyte. I told them I take it. I will take it. So your boy pulled the trigger on this mother, and I noticed the weight. This thing the box is huge and it's heavy. Walking out the door, walking to the car, I'm like, man, what's in this box? Some bricks? Like, this is heavy. This is heavy, y'all. So I'm happy, I'm smiling. I get in the car and I'm rolling, man. I'm just rolling, just feeling good, man. So when I got home, I opened the box immediately. This handheld PC is next level. 8.8 LCD touchscreen display, 1 terabyte, micro SD card slot, audio jack input, Bluetooth, removable controllers, controller vibration, touchpad, and it have a kickstand for tabletop mode, and 2 USB-C ports, FPS mode switch with a dock, tons of buttons on the back with a mouse wheel, RGB lit joysticks, microphone, air vents, and a carrying case. Oh, and I also bought a screen protector and a grip cover. Now, I only paid $749. And let me make this clear. I only bought this device just to remote play off my Xbox Series X.
When you get a fight like this that everybody's been talking about, it's always so interesting. Outstanding physical attributes. Bruh.
All right, so we have a problem, y'all. I never seen this before. All right, up top it says update available. Update the Xbox app to the newest version of the latest feature and fixes. See, I never seen this before. Y'all seen that lagging too. Y'all seen that. Try it again. Please reconnect controller. Y'all see that? Now, I don't know what that's about. All right, let's look for the lag, y'all. Oh! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uh-oh. Trying to reconnect. All right, here we go. We're unable to connect with the server. See? Here we go again. I'm going to see if I can play the Legion Go at the mailbox, hooked up to Wi-Fi on my cell phone. Let's go. Your boy just made it to the mailbox. Let's go and get started. Everything worked out. Everybody is happy, okay? And also, I went on Amazon and I ordered a screen protector. And it's smooth. Might be a little lag, but it's smooth. Now, playing this for a few days, I have a lot of cons and I have a few pros. Here we go. Playing this for long periods of time, your arms start to get tired, man. You might have to take a break because this device is heavy, man. It feels like you're holding brick. It's heavy, I'm telling you. All right. Next con, I don't like the buttons on here. The buttons are close together and I wish they were spaced out a little bit. The analog sticks are tiny. I like the way the buttons and analog stick feel on the Logitech G Cloud and the PlayStation Portal, but I can get used to it. Now, another thing, the controllers is big and bulky, so if you have small hands like me, it might be a problem. But again, I can get used to it. This device is slow. It loads up slow. It maneuvers slow. When I had the Logitech G Cloud, it's fast, quick. This thing is slow.
But I can get used to it, okay?
I had a problem trying to get this thing to turn on. Your boy tapped the power button and nothing happened. Nothing happened. So your boy went to Google and I had to figure it out. Came across some information and that information said hold the power button down for 30 seconds, then let go. And then tap the power button again and it'll come on. And that's exactly what happened. It turned on. I don't know what the hell is going on with this device, but it is what it is, man. And also, I remember this device, it freezed on me, man. When I was setting it up and had to connect to my Wi-Fi, it froze. So I had to power it off, power back on, man. So that's another thing. Then playing Fight Night, the game crashed, man. Took me right back to the beginning of the home screen of the Xbox. It crashed. So I'm like, it might be my internet. I think it was my internet because your boy went back and hooked it up with the hard cable and everything was fine. Now, the speakers is facing up. I have a problem with that. I wish they were facing toward me so I can hear them a lot better. But to get great sound out of this device, I highly recommend you get a Bluetooth headset or some earbuds, man. The battery life is not so good, man. The battery drains fast, man, when you're having fun. So keep an eye on the battery life. let's get to some of the pros. I love the screen size. I love the screen size. 8.8 LCD display screen. You cannot beat that. I love the screen size. I also love and appreciate that this device have a touchpad, man. That's pretty cool. I love it. And I could play Fight Night. For some reason, you can't do it on the Logitech G Cloud, but on this, you can do whatever you want. Now, as you can see, your boy have more cons than pros, but I love it. I love it. Do I recommend it? Yes and no. I recommend it because of the 8.8-inch display. Gaming on a display this huge, you have to experience it for yourself. It's beautiful. I love it. Amazing. No, because it's slow. It's like, starting this thing up and, going through it is slow and buggy, and I don't know. But I didn't have this problem with the Logitech G Cloud. It was on point. It was fast. All right. Do I regret my purchase? No. But if I get tired of it, if I get tired of all, the crap that's going on and what I've been experiencing, it's going back to Best Buy. Yes, it's going back to the Best Buy, and we're going to get the Ally, okay? So I'm still learning, y'all. It's a lot that I don't know. I don't know. I mean, this is a PC, and I don't know a lot about computers. So I'm a tablet type of guy. That's why the G Cloud, G Cloud works for me. It worked for me when I had it. And this right here, I have a lot of research I need to do, man. To be honest with you, I don't know what I have. Like, this is huge. Oh, let me disconnect the controller. So it's like a little button right here. You push that button and you slide down and it comes off. See that? And you do the same for this side. Push that little button right there. Oh, let's see. I'm a little rough with it, y'all. Here go the kickstand. Kickstand right there. And the screen protector came in, so if I do decide to keep it, I think I'm gonna go and put it on anyway. And I'm waiting on my cover grip to come in. This is the dock for your right, I want to say Joy-Con, but this is a magnet. It just sticks right up in there. So let me try this, y'all. I never tried this before, but let me click this to FPS mode. And you can see on the screen, this is my first time. See on the screen see the mouse? So this is a mouse, and this is for, I think I have it the wrong way. It's this way. There you go. And this is good for first person shooter game. So like I said, this is my first time. It's pretty cool. It's smooth. It's flush. Look at the bottom of it. And that's how the switch look right there. FPS switch. And I guess when you play certain games, that's what these other buttons are for. See these buttons in the back? See the layout? On the left side, it's going up and down. And on the right side, it's going left and right. And here go the mouse wheel right here. So as y'all can see, your boy watching the football game, and it's have a little lag, man, but your internet have to be on point. It has to be on point. I don't wanna on this. I love it. I just have to see if I can get the kinks out. Cause again, I'm not a PC guy, and I just bought this just to remote play. And I know what y'all saying. I read the comments and I responded. Why would you buy the G Cloud to remote play? Or why would you buy the PlayStation Portal to remote play when you can do it from your cell phone? You can go get a backbone. You can go get the clip that clips to your controller into your phone and just play like that. Why would you buy something? Number one, I'm an impulse buyer. Number two, I like to buy stuff to have it like as a collector's item, you know, just to collect. Like I have a lot of stuff around here that just sit up and I just collect. So, you know, I can appreciate the things that this thing, if I can figure it out, I can appreciate it. I give you an example. So, what say y'all? Is this hot? Is it trash? Did y'all get it or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.